Hey guys, I'm going to go over our dumbbell single arm rotational press using a stability ball. So you're going to grab a dumbbell, you're going to roll down so the ball is basically like thoracic spine and slightly up onto your shoulders so you can actually get your shoulders resting on the ball. Okay, your head's going to be off the ball, create a double chin, bring the hips up, so rib cage down to belt buckle, squeeze the glutes. This is going to be a great kind of full body drill. Dumbbells in the left hand for this one, shoulders pulled down towards my hips, slightly back towards my spine. Okay, and from here what I'm going to do is when I bring the dumbbell down to my body, and this upper arm, just side note, upper arm is going to be on a 45-degree angle going down, not out to the side. Okay, protect that shoulder. And you're only going to go down basically so the upper arm is in line or parallel with the body. Okay, any lower and the shoulder starts to dip forward a little bit. So from here, I'm going to bring this dumbbell down and I'm going to actually roll on my left or towards my left shoulder to support the dumbbell. Okay, and then when I'm going to press up, I'm actually going to roll onto my right shoulder. And now I'm pressing up, knuckles to the ceiling, hips are up, back down, and I roll back to my left shoulder, and then drive up. Guys, that is your dumbbell single arm rotational press using a stability ball.